Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chava's going to be showing us how to make this beautiful two-tier unicorn cake. If you'd like to learn how to make this, please keep on watching. Also, please read the description down below. We will be having a giveaway. Thank you. So as you can see here, he kneaded his fondant and now he's rolling it. He's going to be making his unicorn ears, cutting it out. He uses a leaf cutout. It's like a little cookie cutter that you're able to get at a cake supply store.
Okay, so right here you can see me rolling the fondant so that way I can make the horn, and then I pinch off both sides so that it could be pointing. Okay, so now you cut the fondant. You can do it to the length of whatever size you want your horn, and then you put it together, you squeeze it and turn it. You see how I'm doing it right there? Okay, now I just added water so that way it could be stuck together. And then if you want better results, you could just leave it overnight so it could dry, so it could be easier for you to work with it. And then same with the ears, you add a little bit of water at the bottom and then pinch it so that way you could give it that ear effect.
Here you see Chava using that same leaf cutout so that he can make his eyes for his unicorn.
Okay, so at this point, once your horn is ready and hard, you can add the sticks.
Now using this non-toxic gold, it's time for my favorite part. It's time to paint your horn. Now this part is so satisfying to watch. I can't, it's beautiful. Look at that, guys.
And check that out, fucking dope.
Now it's time to mix your color. For this cake, we'll be mixing 3. So in this clip, you'll see Chava's technique on how to make multicolor hair for the horse, or the pony, the unicorn, whatever the hell it's called. And basically, he's gonna be putting his buttercream in saran wrap. He's gonna be cutting the edges and putting both of the little packs into the piping bag. Now your third color will be in its own piping bag. Here Chava begins to stack the cake. He does go ahead and insert the plastic rods. These are the Wilton brand. video on how to stack a cake dropping next week.
Alright, and you don't have to add a trim to the top, but since I could see the board and it's like a tiered cake, I always like to add it.
Now for this part, there's really no special technique. Just get creative with it and have fun. Now here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something.
Please don't forget to read the description to enter our giveaway for a beautiful unicorn cake. See you in our next video.